Hello everyone, I'm Reno Cabral at systemrecipes.com. In today's video I'm going to show you how to install Windows Server 2012. What I've done over here is I've got a virtual instance running and I've booted it up from an ISO image of Windows Server 2012. So let's get on with the installation. So to start with, if you select the language, time and the keyboard input and click on next, click on install now. As you see over here, Microsoft selects the core installation by default. I would go for a GUI for now. In my next video I'm going to show you how to switch from a GUI to a core and core to a GUI, which is a new feature with Windows Server 2012. But for now, to start with, let's go for a GUI and click next. I accept the license and terms, click over there and click next. Over here you got two options, upgrade and a custom. Custom install will be a fresh install, but if you want to click on upgrade, you can only upgrade from a Windows Server 2008 or Windows Server 2008 R2, which has to be a 64-bit, as Windows Server 2012 is only a 64-bit operating system. So let's for now go with the custom install. As you see over here, I got two partitions. So let me just delete those partitions first. Over here you got all these options wherein you can delete, format or create new partitions. As I got just 50 gig of hard drive, I will just select the hard drive and click next. And Windows is going to carry on with the installation over here. While the installation is going on, let me just talk a little bit about Windows Server 2012. Windows Server 2012, if you're planning an upgrade, you can only upgrade from a Windows Server 2008 or 2008 R2, as it has to be a 64-bit. So Windows Server 2012 comes only in a 64-bit platform, so make sure you have a look at that. If you're planning an upgrade, make sure you test everything. I would suggest migrating a physical machine to a virtual environment and testing your applications. Make sure all your applications work fine. Especially in some organization, it's most likely that you'll find legacy applications that are like 32-bit, and mostly departments like accounts and HR, they tend to use them. So make sure you have tested all your applications. Make sure you take a proper backup, and just don't take a backup, make sure you test the restore as well. The minimum requirement for Windows Server 2012 is 1.4 gigahertz processor, that is 64-bit, and 512 MB RAM and 32 gig of minimum hard drive. If you're planning an upgrade, it will be a good time for you to also upgrade your hardware. So that's always a good option to choose, because as you're upgrading your software, it's always better for you to keep an eye on your hardware as well. So just to keep in mind. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to pause this video now, and once the installation is completed, I'll get back to you. As you see over here, the installation has completed and it's asking me for an administrative password. So make sure your password is a strong password. And click finish. So now let's log in into Windows Server 2012. press Ctrl Alt Delete and enter the password. So there you go, you got a Windows Server 2012 installed. You got your server manager. Then you can go to manage to add roles and features, remove roles and features and stuff like that. You can go to tools to access your roles like Active Directory, DNS server, or DHCP kind of thing. Let me just minimize this for now. The only thing that I did not really like about Windows Server 2012 was the start button. As you go down there, see this, it's just like Windows 8, so you got to go right at the bottom corner, the left hand side, and click on the start tab, and you got all these tiles just like Windows 8, but it's not that graphical as Windows 8, but it still annoys me a little bit. But Windows Server 2012 overall is a really good, strong server operating system, and I will be creating a few more videos on Windows Server 2012. So if you like this video, please don't forget to click on the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as I'll be creating a few more videos on Windows Server 2012. And thanks for watching.